What is Prevention Through Design (PTD) in chemical management at the workplace? PTD may begin at the design stage of the process, material selection, equipment, machinery, or tool. The 7 levels in the hierarchy of controls that are described in the 1st through 4th levels are more effective because they are preventive actions that eliminate or reduce risk substitution, engineering control, and design or redesign equipment, rely the least on the human behavior, the performance of a personnel, are less defeatable by unit managers, supervisors, or workers. Actions described in the 5th, 6th, and 7th levels are contingent actions and rely greatly on the performance of a personnel for their effectiveness. Inherently, they are less reliable. 1. Elimination of risk through methods and process during chemical handling. Eliminate manual pesticide spray activity in agriculture industry by using drone spraying technology. Eliminate manual chemical handling by using robotic system automation. 2. Substitution of process material or the physical form of chemicals. 1. Process substitution. Before, sandblasting process generates excessive dusts. Dust spread to the environment and causes health effects. After, wet blasting process does not generate excessive dusts, safer to workers and the environment. Before, using a brush with adhesive chemical, glue, to attach wood to wood, chemical fumes are exposed to the workers. After, improve nozzle to spread adhesive chemical, glue, reduce exposure of fumes and splash of chemical to workers. 2. PTD in material substitution. Example, substitute lead material to unleaded material. Material substitution from paraquat pesticide to less hazardous pesticides. Example, metsulfuron methyl sodium chlorate bromacil. Materials in solid form are easier to manage compared to in liquid or gas form because they are more in a stable state. 3. Engineering control. Engineering means to reduce exposure to hazardous chemical. 3. PTD. Exposure through chemical process. PTD. Mechanical ventilation system. Before, chemical released to the workers and the surrounding. After, chemical is drawn into the ventilation system and prevents exposure to the workers. PTD. Exposure through chemical process. Before, chemical fumes or gases or dust are released. After, enclosed process and chemical released through exhaust ventilation system. PTD in engineering control. Chemical splash curtain. Before, operator use solvent chemical to clean parts and the fumes may expose in open area. After, isolate the area with a curtain or partition and ventilation system to prevent or reduce fumes that escape to the open area. 4. Design or redesign equipment. 4. PTD. Design or redesign equipment. Tank or nozzle to prevent chemical exposure during handling. Before, possibility of exposure via inhalation or dermal and chemical spillage, ergonomic issues. After, add a reusable hand pump dispenser or isolation valve to the existing chemical drum. Those hand pumps come in various sizes and can be easily fitted to the top of the container. Go to work in a healthy state. Work in healthy conditions. Return from work in a healthy state. Live healthy with family.